What's up guys, it's Raf in the RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another video. Now this here is going to be on a portable USB-C IPS 1080p monitor. Now I was sent this one to show you guys. What's really cool about this is it's a portable monitor you can bring with you. It's flat, easy to use. It's got a tempered glass for protection. You can use it on an external battery pack, like ones you use for your phone, so it's easily bring power with you if you want. It's got really good contrast, 1000:1. And it's got HDMI inputs, USB-C and micro USB as well, headphone jacks. So you can hook this up to your cell phone, hook it up to your video game consoles, hook it up to some kind of a streaming device, and be able to watch TV on this on the go. So it's really cool. It's made by WIMAXIT. All right, it's a 13.3-inch screen. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys, show you how it looks, show you the ports on it, how to operate it. Before we do that, we're gonna look at some quick picture specs here through the Amazon website here, and I'll leave a link in the description for you if you wanna check this out later. So what's great about it is it's got a foldable stand. So when you're not using it, it folds over the screen to protect it, and when you're using it, you can unfold it and prop the monitor on like a tabletop or whatnot, and you can also adjust the angle to reduce any reflections from sunlight and lights around the room. So it's really cool. So tempered glass is going to give you a little bit of protection just in case someone throws something at it, or if you're tapping it too hard or whatnot. Protects the screen, which I like. Full HD 1080p as well with HDR, which is nice. They'll give you that more vibrant color, more popping contrast, a little better black levels on it. It's going to be 12 inches across, and of course has multiple inputs for your devices. So you can hook up your Switch to it, your PS3, PS4, PC, Xbox. We can get your cell phone hooked up to it if you want. Hook up a keyboard to it if you want to use it as an extension of your laptop. And it's a very lightweight portable design, so you can bring it with you on the go all the time. All right guys, let's get this unboxed, show you what's inside, and hook it up and see how it looks. Let's get it. All right guys, here's the box. WIMAXIT 13.3-inch portable monitor, IPS Full HD, USB-C, HDMI power delivery. Nice. Slide this up here. Looks like we got a couple stickers on the bottom. And you know what that means, guys. And you know what that means, guys. Black pin. There, and there. All right, let's check this out. All right. Okay, the main event right here. Leave that there. Let's see what contents we get. All right, so we have the user's guide. So it tells us right here, 13-inch screen, resolution, DC adapter, micro USB, HDMI, couple stereo speakers, 3.5 extension jack, which is good if you have your own speakers, you want to hook up your headphones or earphones to it, aluminum body. Looks like we got a menu button and power in there as well. Awesome. Okay, a couple stickers. Nice cleaning pad, microfiber, very good. Oh, we got cables, guys. We got cables. Nice. Standard USB to USB-C. This will be great for accessories and whatnot. Ah, nice. USB-C, USB-C. This is for your cell phone. Hook it straight away right to the monitor. How easy is that? Nice. Look at that. HDMI to HDMI. Sweet. So you got all the cords necessary to hook this up. Awesome. I like that. They give you all the cords you need to get you going right away. Now no power adapter, so we'll have to look at that in a moment. All right, let's see this bad boy. Oh, I like this case. Oh my. Ooh, that's really cool. So you have a nice, oh, look at that, guys. They give you a screen protector to put on here for free. a screen protector. How cool is that? Well, that's a nice looking screen right there. Okay, how does this work? All right. So basically flip it over and then you angle it however you want to rest it on your table. Boom, just like that. This has got a rubber grip on the bottom, so it'll make sure it doesn't slide down. That's awesome. All right, so check out the sides of it. Don't want to get the screen and fingerprints on it. Nice. Okay, here's your side inputs here. Look at that. HDMI, 2 USB-Cs and a micro USB. That's fantastic. Speaker port there. On the other side, you're gonna have your headphone jack. And it looks like your wheel for turning it on in menu, and then your other speaker. That's fantastic. Simple hookup. So there's no AC adapter on here, so you're gonna want to use the USB here for, like, say, an external battery pack and plug that in there to charge it and use it on the go. Nice. All right, guys, let me get this hooked up and see what it looks like. Boom, be right back. Get this screen protector put on. Since they gave it to you, might as well apply it to it, right? So I'm gonna use a microfiber cloth they give you. I'm gonna wipe this down just once more before we put that protector on here. We wanna make sure we don't have any kind of dust or lint or any hairs on the screen. Just like a regular cell phone, you know. You've done this before, right? All right, so that's clean there. All right, so we're gonna pull this guy out. And looks like there's a 1 and a 2. So we'll do the 1 first, upper layer. This is never easy, is it? So one of the supplied cables is the USB-C to USB here. So I'm going to use my own, charging AC adapter here that has 5 volts, 2 amps, and plug it in. Now the 2 USB-Cs on the side, one of them is for power and the other one's for input. So the one closer to the inside is for power. You got a little blue light there, and there we go. All right, so looking nice. Nice bright picture. So right now, no signal. All right, guys, so we got the Xbox 360 hooked up right there. Provided HDMI cable, go right into the bottom, and it automatically picked it up. All right, so we have a game fired up now in the 360. It's loading up now. Now, so what I'm seeing here, the picture's good. It's an IPS panel, so it's got good wide range or wide viewing angles. Black levels are fine. You know, not the best, but they're fine. A little bit of reflection, but you can always fix that by moving, the screen up or down to try to eliminate that glare. Okay, but it's not bad from where I'm sitting right now looking at it. Here's the 360 controller. Sound is So we got brightness control here. And you can do contrast. You can do black equalizer. You can also go into game mode. You got saturation and hue, and then sharpness. And that tells you that's receiving a 1080p 60 Hertz signal. You got HDR mode on auto, so it kind of automatically comes on and off. Eye protection mode, which is that blue light filter. 3D sound. And your volume is about maxed out right now. But you can always hook up your own earbuds, earphones, headphones, your own external speakers if you want. If you push the button on the side, it just brings up the input button here between USB-C and HDMI. All right, here we go. We're playing some Terminator 360. John Connor. Very nice responsive too. That's very good. Nice. All right, so that looked good. That played really nice. I want to exit. Yeah, very, very responsive, guys. Very responsive. Very pleased with this. Let's move on to the next device. All right, so we switched gears. Now we're on Xbox One S. And it's performing great. Let's load up some Gears 5. Hey. Nice color. Look at that picture. Very responsive. Excellent highlights. Very nice. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. One on here. Check out the lag. Super responsive. Awesome. All right, guys, let's move on to the cell phone portion. And I have a S20 right here and the USB-C in there. And plug it in. What phone is this? What is this?
The S10.
This is an S10?
Not an S20.
Since when do they make S10s?
S10? Are you serious? You got this for my Christmas.
S10, Galaxy S10, cool.
Yes. Jeez, not 20.
Alright guys, we're going to move on to the cell phone portion of this video. So I have an S10 right here. We're going to plug in the USB-C into the bottom. That's the included cable. And looks like we got a pop-up here, USB-C, 1080p video. Let's continue. Let's back out of there. And go horizontal if you want to go the horizontal landscape there. And then very responsive. So we're going to check out the RAFCAVE video, which is awesome. And everything's pretty responsive. Exactly what's on the screen of the phone is exactly playing right there. Look at that. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Alright guys, let's move on to the next one. But otherwise, this is fantastic. 1080p quality, looking great. Hey, and we can pause it right there. Pretty awesome. Back up. Boom. Boom, boom. Back to the main screen. Alright guys, let's move on. Alright guys, so unfortunately the the laptop second monitor experiment didn't work for me. My laptop is just a little too old to do the second monitor. So if you have one of the newer monitors or newer laptops that have HDMI out or USB-C out, then by all means you're gonna be able to plug it into your second monitor, to this monitor display here, and use it as a second monitor. So that's something you definitely do. So I'm gonna keep this off to the side. So the last demonstration I'm gonna put up for you guys is gonna be some real TV on this second monitor. I'm going to use the Xbox One HD Home Run app, and I imagine you can plug in like a Fire Stick or a Roku or a, you know NVIDIA Shield or whatnot right into it. Apple, of course, plug it into the HDMI and go from there. But let's check it out. Hey y'all! All right, HD Home Run. Let's check out some real TV action. All right, there we go. That's going to be TMZ Live. And let's see what else we got here. Dr. Oz. Fantastic picture. Good color. Looks fine. So yeah, regular TV looks fine on this monitor. So by all means, feel free to watch some TV on this screen with your various smart devices. Cool. This thing is really nice. It's very versatile, a lot of inputs, and very easy to use. By the way, there's no power supply built in. There's no batteries on this. It has to be connected to the AC adapter through the USB-C and then into your electrical outlet right on the wall over there. That's how you power it up. All right, guys, there's my time with the WIMAXIT 13.3 IPS USB-C monitor. Very cool device. It's like just a portable little screen you can bring with you and hook up multiple devices to it and have fun with it. Great picture, easy to use, decent quality, not bad at all. For something that you want to bring with you, have fun with it, give it a thumbs up. Unfortunately, didn't get that my laptop working with it, but I'm pretty sure it can be used as a second monitor for a laptop, no problem. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like something like this, I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check one out yourself. Otherwise, guys, as always, home theater rules. Raf out. See ya.